We are in the kitchen and whipping up muffins. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are baking our sweet and delicious lemon blueberry muffins. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To begin, preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a muffin pan with nonstick baker's spray. To a large bowl, add flour, sugar or sugar substitute, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and nutmeg. Whisk to combine. Take a quick second to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other dessert recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe below so you know when we release new videos. Cut butter into cubes. Place butter into the bowl. Using a pastry blender, cut butter into flour. I wanted to use buttermilk in this recipe but didn't have any, so I made some. Pour milk into a cup. Add vinegar or lemon juice. Stir and set aside. What is your favorite fruit muffin? Tell us. Comment below the video. In a separate bowl, combine buttermilk, lemon zest, and egg. Whisk until fully combined. Slowly add liquids to the flour mixture. Combine until just moist. Sprinkle flour onto blueberries and coat blueberries with the flour. Place blueberries into the batter. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, click on subscribe below followed by notifications to stay current on new recipes. Gently fold blueberries into batter. Spoon batter into the wells of a prepared muffin pan. Bake 20 minutes. Remove from oven and place muffin pan on a wire rack for 5 minutes. Using a butter knife, gently remove muffins from the pan. Place each muffin onto wire rack to cool. To make glaze, add confectioner sugar to a bowl. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over sugar and combine until smooth. Drizzle glaze over cooled muffins. Enjoy this delicious dessert. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.